Our next word is BALUY. Okay, BALUY. So again, our first step is identify how many consonants are there. So we have ba, la, and ya. BALUY. Ba, lam, and ya. So first, the ba has the vowel ba, then lam has the vowel u, and then we have the ya, which has no vowel sound. BALUY. So there are only 2 syllables. BALUY. So how are we going to write this? We start with the first letter, which is ba again. From right to left, we have the huruf ba, and its vowel is a, so our baris is pataas, ba din taas, ba. Then next we have the huruf lam, so lam is right like this, and its vowel sound is u, which is dhamma, so you write dhamma like this. So ba din taas ba, dhamma or lam dapan do, balu. And lastly we have the huruf ya. Ya is 2 dots below, so that's ya, and it has no vowel sound, so we just simply add the sukun or baris patay. So that's how we spell BALUY in Sulat Sug. Ba din atas ba, lam dapan lo, muno ya, luy. And how are we going to connect this? So we have ba, lam, ya. Ba din atas ba, lam dapan lo, muno ya, luy. BALUY. So BALUY in Sulat Sug is BALUY. Subscribe for more. Subscribe for more.